Choice Guru, where barbecue and grilling's made tasty. I'm Brandon Tanner, and today we have some really cool sides for you. I'm going to do kind of a series of things you can do with steaks or other type of thing. We're going to start with smoked artichokes, and if you like this type of content,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another video like this one.
Alright, so anyways, we're going to start off with doing some smoked artichokes, and I did it in a pretty old video without any commentary or anything like that, but it's a real popular video, so we're going to do that again. Really simple, straightforward. We're going to cut off the ends, cut off the base, sprinkle a little water on them, smoke them at 180 for about 45 minutes, up to your taste and preference, but that's what we like to do. And then we're actually going to take them off, and then we're going to steam them. So however you want to steam them for another like 45 minutes, and they'll be good to go. We'll use some smoked salt in the butter itself, drawn butter, and eat them that way, and then show you how we do them. But man, these are one of our favorite things to do. So with that, I'll get to cutting, and one of your favorites, right?
Yeah.
And then stay tuned, because we'll show you the videos. I'll put them up here in the top and down in the description for doing portobello mushrooms and some corn on the cob. So great sides to go with other stuff you're doing.
Corn too? I thought we were just doing this too.
Alright, so we got some really good smoke on these, and you know when you open them up like that, it penetrates down in, and it'll actually be all the way down into the heart itself. And of course, you know, we'll peel off the edges and dip them in butter as we eat them, and we'll show you that. And then I got my steamer set for 45 minutes here. So we'll steam them, make sure they're pulling off real easy, and then we'll, I've got some smoked salt that I made a while back, and I'll show a video on that. It's one way to do it, or you can buy smoked salt. It just kind of reinforces that flavor, but you know, these are going to be good. Alright, so you saw what we did, you know, peeling them down, eating the inner part of the leaves as we went. You can taste the smoke flavor,
yeah.
Just delicious. And then this is some of the smoked salt I mentioned that I put in with the drawn butter, really good. And then tried to show you how easy it is to kind of, you know, clean out this heart with the spoon and stuff, and then cutting off the very bottom part of that, so it's, you know, kind of, that part doesn't taste as good. So with that, we're going to do a taste test, and if you like this type of content,
please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another video.
nice work.
Thank you.
She's excited to have a piece.
It's delicious.
That's so good. The smoky flavor comes through, but not overpowering.
This is
Works
so
great
good.
with the steamer. It's excellent. Thank you.
Normally I don't like the heart that much.
You want to try some of this? It's really good.
I think I start over here, and I want to say don't forget to